Hello everyone, welcome back to Trade Leader Institute. Let us review our Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. So, Nifty closed 0.48% negative and it closed at 15,691. So, closing below 15,700. So, that shows a little bit bearishness in the market. So, Nifty opened gap down and started move in the wrong direction, and once it touched filled the gap, and once it touched 15,750, that is 50% retracement, so it got a rejection and started again to go in the downward direction. Coming to Bank Nifty opened at 34,634. So in the Bank Nifty it did not get bull side movement also. There was no power in the long side, so it got rejection here and it started its downtrend, then again retraced, but it again got the rejection in the moving average. That's why I asked you to keep one moving average as a reference. Simple moving average is also sufficient, and there was clear bearishness afterwards. So I have taken the trade here in the options, expiry options. Okay, I'll hide the indicators. So in Nifty, yes, we have reached all the three targets today. So if you keep an eye on moving average, it will be easy for you to decide till where it will retrace. Like definitely when it before also it may reverse, but it retraces most of the time till moving average. So you can plan your exit. Maybe target 1 you have to exit, or target 2, or wherever. That's the easiest way, but everyday market doesn't work in the same manner, and most of the times none of the strategies work, only the sentiments work sometimes. And if I have to show you this is the my trade today, Bank Nifty 35,400 P I have taken. That was the OTM. It was at around 17, and it went up to 100 today, and I exited very quickly. So coming to the advanced decline ratio, shows that there is a clear bearishness in the market. Only 684 shares are advanced, and 1323 shares are declined. And FII DIO data, if you check also, FIIs sold 879 crores, and DIS bought only 45 crores. So FIIs are in the selling side, but it is better for us to stay aside and watch the market. Whichever side it goes, then we can take the trade. I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Trade carefully. Stay connected. Please subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. I give the trading levels only after the market opens. Before that, today it's only the analysis part. We just mark the levels to watch out. Thank you.